In this video tutorial, I will show you how to split screen in Capcut. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving the video a thumbs up. First, open either an existing project or create a new one in Capcut. For this example, I'll select 2 videos, but you can choose more if needed. After selecting them, click Add in the top right corner. Once the videos are imported, select the second video. Scroll through the options at the bottom until you find Overlay, and click on it. This action will position the video below the first one in the timeline, but it will appear above it in the video preview. Press and hold the video to adjust its position under the first video. After positioning it, select it again and go to Blend. Lower the opacity so you can see through it. Now, arrange it to your liking. I prefer an off-center alignment to maintain focus on the central part. Simply drag the video in the preview screen to adjust. Then, select the first video, which appears above in the timeline or below in the preview, and move it to the left, ensuring the central parts of both videos are visible. Next, select the video where you reduced the opacity and increase its opacity back to normal. Keep it selected and scroll to Mask, then click on it. Choose the horizontal option. Now, use 2 fingers to rotate the line and 1 finger to move the whole section to your desired position. Once you're satisfied with the arrangement, hit the tick mark. You can now make additional edits or save the project. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video.